Welcome to this tutorial for the KewApp app and printer. So from the main menu of the KewApp app you can add things like your company details, your client details. Sometimes this may be one and the same. Once we enter our site details and location details, if it's never been in there before, you enter it, like we're going to enter Preston right now. When we put location, KewApp have done a very good job in adding lots of different locations. For this one we're going to choose Hall. It's defaulted to appliance ID 1. We could scan a barcode at this point or just enter a number. We've hit the long press button, selected computer, which is going to be a class 1. We've done our test, our results are in. We're going to record our results, marginally update them on the system there, and this will show as a leakage fail, so it will change from pass to fail. Now we're going to select a 3-year retest with an annual visual inspection. Notice it's defaulted to fail. We're going to put in there what we did. We changed the plug, and when we press the print button this time, because it failed on the leakage, it will print our fail label. So on to appliance number 2. So here we are, appliance number 2. We're still in Preston, we're still in the hall, so nothing to change there. We're going to hold the description button down, hold for a long list of items, and this time we're going to test a kettle. So I'm going to put KETT, and then already kettle pops up. This is also a class 1, so we press class 1. I've changed the frequency here for annual test 12 months, visual inspection every 6 months. Press print. This time, as no other changes, nothing failed. This time it will print a pass label. On to appliance number 3, still in Preston, still in the hall. This time we are going to test a drill. So DR, and there's drill. This time it's a class 2, it knows which test to do. Some marginal changes. This time we got more than 200 mega ohms for our insulation resistance test. We didn't change a plug, but we changed a fuse. So we're going to put change fuse, and this will be in there as a default for next time if we want to use it. Going to press print. This is also a pass. Everything's green. Out comes our pass label. On to appliance number 4. This time we're going to test extension leads. We put EX and various types of extension leads pop up, and we've chose a 4-gang extension lead. It's defaulted to pass for everything. I'm going to update the result, 0.08 for earth, more than 200 for insulation. We're going to change the polarity to fail, but I'm going to put it back to pass, just to show you can actually pass or fail things there yourself. We left this as the pass, so out comes a pass label to put on the extension lead. So back to our main menu screen. This is what it looks like. Lots of things you can change, update. Here's our report from the test that we just did. You can obviously view the PDF. We can then email that PDF to ourselves if we choose to do so. It will automatically send it to whoever you put email address for your client account. You can obviously change that as and when you wish. If you want to see the raw data behind it, we can hit the CSV button. This will give us our Excel data, and there's the report in Excel, all our core data that we need. We can also use this data and send this via email as well. Beauty of having this system is you can have somebody centrally located that can keep up to date with all of the records for you. When you can email into that central person to produce reports, you do it per property, per van, per room, per business. It's entirely up to yourselves. Just to show you in real time how it works, we select our appliance. We're going to choose a drill. I'll show you how quick it really is. We've entered an appliance ID. We've entered a location. And our test results are in. We agree, print our label, and as we press print, that saves the result in the app but also prints a label at the same time, ready to be exported.